Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, this is SYGTECH. So in today's video I'm gonna share my experience and my thoughts about something pretty epic, probably one of the best lenses that Canon made, 16-35 2.8 Mark III. This is amazing lens amongst photographer, videographer, content creator. This lens is super popular. So in today's video I'm gonna share my photos that I took with this super popular lens. Also, this is the third video that I created. Make sure to watch all the two videos that I did about the Canon R50V. So if you're a content creator, Canon R50V is the best camera right now to buy in 2026. If you're a vlogger, podcaster, content creator, product reviewer, it's amazing camera. Also, I did another video comparing the 200D with the R50V. Super cool video. I'm gonna link both videos in the descriptions down below. The photos that I'm gonna share, they're super cool. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? The photos are unedited, raw, directly from the lens. This is what I like, raw, authentic, super cool photos. So let's start with the two photos first. So the first photo is captured at 60mm and the second photo is captured at 35. So as you can see, both photos are super sharp. 16-35 Mark III is just exceptional, powerful lens. This is what I love. Like I said, all the photos are raw, and this is what I love about this lens. Not just that, probably one of the best features of the lens is fixed or continuous apertures. Normal kit lens comes with a variable aperture, so the second you zoom in you start to lose the light, but with the 16-35 Mark III you don't have this problem. Also, the build quality is just excellent, it's just epic, so Canon built this lens to last. The photos you see, they captured last Monday and everything is so pure, so nice. You just point and shoot, and 99% the photos are just excellent. You can color grade them, but I personally don't color grade. The only thing I color grade probably is the thumbnails that I do for my videos, but most of the time I don't color grade. I just like to capture the moment. A few thoughts about the lack of image stabilization. I personally think it's not a big issue for me. If you want image stabilization, you always can get the F4 version. The F4 version comes with the image stabilization, but the Mark III is completely fine without image stabilization. You always can use a gimbal, or you can do that in post. Some thoughts about the weight of the lens. It's not a big problem. When I started to use the lens, after half an hour I was completely fine. See, I do like the fact that the lens is heavy, makes the lens even better in my opinion. So yeah, the weight of the lens is completely fine. I'm pretty sure you have this lens, probably one of your drawers. This lens I know is made for more professional work, but you can still use it for just normal use. Just go outside, create something beautiful, some nice memories. I guarantee you, you're gonna love that. I just took the lens with me and I enjoy it, and I just captured the moment. So the lens is just fantastic for any situations. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the 16-35 Mark III. This lens is just next level. I love it, just to capture the moment. Amazing lens. So let me know what you think about the photos as well. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.